Hey guys, Thrillbillies Fishing. Got the new 2019 Hobie PA 14 with all the bells and whistles. We're going to be starting to do some video series of how I'm going to trick this out. I'm going to start off with the easy install. We'll be putting in a new oversized rudder, and right while I'm doing that, I'm going to put my power pole on it and get that all lined up. Then we're going to move on to the real fun stuff. We've got a new Raymarine Elite 9-inch coming that we'll be showing you the install. Plus, we'll do a separate video on how to operate it. It's a great new unit. Look forward to seeing that video. And then one of my favorite things is all the boondock stuff I have coming. We're going to do the videos on the install of the landing gear and a couple new products that haven't been announced yet. So look for them videos. Lastly, I want to mention the new GILLZ. They got some new bass gear. The shirt, the matching hat, the matching mask. It may not be on the internet, but go to their website, GILLZ.com, look for it, call them on the telephone, tell them you want the new bass gear before it's gone. Hope to see y'all soon when we start doing the installs.